today we are going to begin with the lesson number 3 of your class 8 English, that is Killing a Tree. It is a poem. So let's begin with this poem. It takes much time to kill a tree, not a simple jab of the knife will do it. It has grown slowly, consuming the earth, rising out of it, feeding upon its crust, absorbing years of sunlight, air, water, and out of its leprous hide, sprouting leaves. So इट्स टेक मच टाइम टू किल. मतलब एक ट्री को किल करने में बहुत टाइम लगता है. खाली एक जैब ऑफ नाइफ, मतलब एक जैब ऑफ नाइफ से वो किल नहीं होता. इट हैज ग्रोन, बहुत अच्छे से ग्रोन हुआ है, बहुत स्लोली ग्रो हुआ है. कंज्यूमिंग द अर्थ, अर्थ को कंज्यूम करता हुआ, अर्थ में से अपनी चीजों को खाता हुआ. राइजिंग आउट ऑफ इट्स, फीडिंग अपॉन इट्स क्रस्ट. कहाँ पे हुआ है? अर्थ के क्रस्ट पे हुआ है वो बड़ा. एब्जॉर्बिंग एयर्स ऑफ सनलाइट, बहुत साल की सनलाइट को एब्जॉर्ब करता हुआ, एयर को, वाटर को एब्जॉर्ब करता हुआ. एंड आउट ऑफ इट्स लेप्रस हाइट, स्प्राउटिंग लीव्स. कैसी लीव्स है? स्प्राउटिंग लीव्स मींस ग्रोइंग लीव्स. So hack sprouting leaves, so hack and chop, but this alone won't do it. So hack and chop means hack was cut, miniature, मतलब खाली एक अकेला नहीं हो पाएगा ये. Not so much pain will do it. बहुत सारा पेन भी नहीं कर पाएगा इसको. The bleeding bark will heal and from close to the ground will rise curl green twigs. Miniatures brought which is unchecked will expand again to former size. So but this alone won't do it. कि खाली ये नहीं, अकेले नहीं हो पाएगा. So much pain will do and not so much pain will do it. बहुत सारा पेन भी इस चीज को नहीं कर पाएगा. द ब्लीडिंग बाग, जो एक बाग जो होती है वो ब्लीड कर रही है. विद हील एंड फ्रॉम क्लोज टू द ग्राउंड, कहाँ से? ग्राउंड के पास बहुत ज्यादा क्लोज से. विल राइज कर्ल टू ग्रीन ट्विग्स, यहाँ से बहुत सारे कर्ल ग्रीन ट्विग्स निकलेंगे. मिनिएचर बोज, मिनिएचर बोज मीन स्मॉल, मिनिएचर छोटे, मिनिएचर स्मॉल्स which is unchecked will expand again. वो unchecked है और फिर उससे दोबारा बढ़ेगा अपने फिर फॉर्मर साइज में. No, the root is the pulled out, but out of the anchoring earth. It is to be rope tied and pulled out, snapped out, or pulled out entirely out from the earth's grave. So जो the root is to be pulled, root को हमें बाहर निकालना पड़ेगा out of the anchoring earth. Anchoring means securing, जो अर्थ ने उसको रोक के रखा है. It is to be rope tied, उसमें एक rope tie करनी पड़ेगी and pulled out with snap out, उसे एकदम से खींचना पड़ेगा और pulled out entirely, उसे पूरे अच्छे से रूट को बाहर निकालना पड़ेगा. out from the earth's grave, अर्थ की grave में, ग्राउंड में से. And the strength of the tree exposed, the source white and wet, the most sensitive hidden for years inside the earth, then the matter of scorching and choking. So and the strength of the tree exposed, एकदम से tree की एक strength निकलेगी. The source white and wet, जो उसकी source होती है white and wet, the most sensitive hidden, जो बहुत टाइम से hidden रहती है, for years inside the earth, जो अर्थ के अंदर hidden रहती है. Then the matter of scorching and choking. So matter किसका? scorching और choking means very hot, dying, very hot and dying in sun and air, जो sun और air में hot और die हो रही है. browning, hardening, सूखी पड़ती जा रही है. twisted with withering and then it is done. twisted कर रही है, withering मतलब dry होती जा रही है अच्छे से, फिर हो जाता है. So this poem is given by Gabe Patel. Now let's solve the exercises of this poem. To kill a tree is an easy job. Take a long time. It is possible with one stroke. It is not possible at all. Take a long time. A tree grows only after feeding on the soil, absorbing air, sunlight, and water, being nourished by the earth. All of the above. All of the above. Leprous hide refers to the roots of the trees, the branches of the trees, the bark of the tree trunk, the leaves of the tree trunk, the bark. Leprous hide means the roots of the tree, sorry. Bleeding bark refers to the blood coming out of the branches, the choked portion of the tree trunk, the fallen leaf, the injured woodcutter, the blood coming out of the choked portion of the tree trunk. Now the source refers to the soil, the branches, the bark, the roots. The source refers to the bark, the roots या फिर the roots. Now read the given extract and answer the questions that follow. Now, not a simple jab of the knife will do it. Was it the knife trying to do? Is it a simple job? Why it is difficult? What is the knife trying to do? Knife क्या try कर रहा था तो करने के लिए? It is trying to cut the tree bark. It is a simple job. No, it is not a simple job. Why it is difficult? Because a tree gets many years to grow. From one knife, it will not cut down. It has grown so slowly, consuming the earth. What does it refers to? It refers to the tree. How has the tree grown? The tree has grown consuming the earth's surface, atmosphere, water, and soil. What is essential in its growth? The oxygen, light, the air, and water is essential for its growth. So hack and chop, but this alone won't do it. Explain hack and chop. हैक मतलब काटना और चॉप मतलब चॉप करना मतलब उसे और हैक मतलब एक बार कट करना फिर चॉप करना उसे छोटा छोटा करना. How does it refers to? What does it refers to? It refers to the knife. Why is it not possible? वो possible क्यों नहीं है? With a single knife, it is not possible to write tree for true and F for false. Cutting off a tree is simple task. False. A tree needs nutrients to grow. True. The poem is about destroying trees and has a negative message. False. The poem is about conservation of trees and has a positive message. True. The poem is about the ability of tree to bounce back into life after being cut. True. Now answer the following questions. How has the tree grown? The tree has grown in the earth crust by taking the sunlight, air, and water. What do people do to the trees? What is the outcome? The people make furniture, the people get oxygen, the people get shade from the trees, the people get fruits from the trees. Why is the root white and wet? The root is white and wet because it from many years it was under the ground. Which line in the poem tells you that a tree has great strength to bear pain? Which line in the poem tells you that a tree has strength to bear pain? Bleeding bark will heal. We came to know with the line, the bleeding bark will heal. Why does the poet describe goats as miniature? Because they were very small. So that's all for this lesson. That's all for this poem. I hope you all like the explanation of this poem. Thank you and have a great day.